up Trudy on the telephone, send a letter in the mail, tell her I'm hung up here in Dallas, and they won't let me out of this jail. And if she asks you how I'm faring, tell her I'm just about to lose my mind. Worried about old John Lee Walker and the girl I left behind. John Lee Walker was a card mechanic. He had a hand for trouble and an eye for cash. The luckiest man in Dallas County. He had a gold watch chain and a black mustache, and he loved his whiskey and he loved his women. Drove a big long Cadillac limousine, kept a big fine fancy townhouse in Dallas, had a hotel suite in New Orleans, kept a switchblade knife in the left hip pocket, and a 44 hog leg under his coat. He cut you down in a New York minute. If he get you cheating, that was all she wrote. Call up Trudy on the telephone, send a letter in the mail, tell her I'm hung up here in Dallas, they won't let me out of this jail. Next she asks you how I'm faring, tell her I'm just about to lose my mind. Worried about old John Lee Walker and the girl I left behind. I just hit 10 last Friday evening. Sure as hell didn't mean stay. I was on my way back to Louisiana. I had a powerful thirst and 6 months pay. I met a peroxide blonde in a bar on eBay. Well, I was flying high, feeling mean. I poured down a bottle of half red eye. I dropped $35 in the slot machine, and the boys in the back was a Beeline 7 car. I sit down, won me 110. Well, I was rigging in chips like Grant took a Richmond. The big John Lee comes strolling in, and he ripped off the table like 707. Pretty soon he done won all of my bread. I accused him of cheating, he reached for his pistol. I grabbed a chair and I went up the side of his head, and I took off running like a motorcycle. Heard the bullets whining in the siren wave. Took half the cops in Dallas County just to put one cool-ass boy in jail. Call up Trudy on the telephone, send a letter in the mail, tell her I'm hung up here in Dallas, and they won't let me out of this jail. If she asks you how I'm faring, tell her I'm just about to lose my mind. Worried about old John Lee Walker and the girl I left behind. Call up Trudy on the telephone. Call up Trudy on the telephone. Send a letter in the mail. Send a letter in the mail. Tell her I'm hung up here in Dallas. Tell her I'm hung up here in Dallas, and they won't let me out of this jail. If she asks you how I'm faring, if she asks you how I'm faring, tell her I'm just about to lose my mind. Tell her I'm just about to lose my mind. Worried about old John Lee Walker and the girl I left behind.
Yeah, Danny.